Today we are going to be doing problems for the T2 and the SU book of the summer camp 105 algebra problems. Today we'll be starting from this book and I'll be starting with the introductory problems. Okay. So first question, Al and Bo work on subtracting fractions. Al always subtracts fractions correctly, while Bo does so indirectly like this. As you know, the fractions, how we need to subtract. For some positive integers, a comma b comma c comma d, when calculating a by b minus c by d, both get the same result. Find what Al will obtain when it have to evaluate this. Okay, this. So then, if what did you evaluate? This is what ad squared minus cb squared upon b squared d squared. Okay, so we have to evaluate this. We are given that this a by b minus c by d according to Al is ad minus bc upon bd. And according to Bo, I don't know why, Bob, I'll just call him Bob. A by b minus c by d according to Bob is a minus c plus b upon d. Okay, he's a big fan cutter. So they are given that this and this are same. Okay, what and what? This and these. So then we will equate them. That will be AD minus BC upon BD equal to A minus C upon B plus D. So then we will multiply. We will get ABD minus B squared C plus AD squared minus BCD is equal to ABD minus BCD. Okay. Cancel. Cancel. B squared C A squared AD squared minus B squared C is equal to 0. Now what we have to find here? AD squared minus CB squared upon B squared D. So this is 0. So the numerator is 0 upon B squared D squared. So what is 0 upon anything? That is 0. Answer. Next question. So find all real numbers x such that this 3 whole cube 20 plus x root 2 plus 3 whole cube 20 minus x root 2 is equal to 4. Okay, we need to find x. So now also solve it and then I will tell you how to solve it. Pause it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now I will start solving. So let us assume this term as a. Okay, let us assume this term as b. So a plus b is equal to 4. Now you can see there is a cube root here. Cube root. So we want to khatam this cube root. So we'll whole cube this. If we'll whole cube this, we'll also whole cube this. So it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. A plus b. Okay, is equal to 4. Now we have 4 cube. Now we have a plus b is equal to 4. This is what 12ab. This is what 64. And what is a cube plus b cube? That is what? 20 plus x root 2 plus 20 minus x root 2. So this end is cancelled. 40 plus 12ab is equal to 64. So now we have ab is equal to 2. This becomes 24 and this becomes 2. Now we have this remaining. So if we will find out what is a and b, that is what? This into this. And what is that? That is 20 plus x root 2 into 20 minus x root 2 whole cube root. So what will that be? 400 minus 2x squared is equal to whole cube is equal to 2. So then we'll whole cube both sides. We will get 400 minus 2x squared is equal to 8. 392 is equal to 2x squared. x is equal to 196, x is equal to 14 comma minus 14. Okay. Answer. Okay. Now we have the next question. Prove that for all real numbers a comma b comma c, a minus c minus b, plus b minus a minus c, plus c minus b minus a is less than 0. So first, what will we do in this? Pause it and solve it. We will expand this. Expand. What will we get? ac minus ba minus c squared minus plus bc, plus bc ab minus bc minus a squared plus ac, plus ca bc minus ac minus b squared plus ab. This is less than equal to 0. We have to prove this. Now we will expand this more. We will get a squared bc minus a b squared c a squared minus ab c squared plus ab squared c plus ab squared c. Okay, ab squared ab है ना, हाँ, तो फिर हाँ हाँ तो ठीक माइनस बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर बी सी प्लस ए बी सी स्क्वायर, इसमें हो जाएगा ए बी सी स्क्वायर माइनस a squared c squared minus a b squared c plus a squared bc. So now this abc minus abc squared and this plus abc squared cancel, minus a squared bc plus a squared bc, ठीक है, और प्लस ए बी सी माइनस ए बी सी, इतना कैंसिल हो गया तो क्या बच गया? ए बी सी स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी स्क्वायर सी प्लस ए स्क्वायर बी सी माइनस ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर ई स्क्वायर is equal to 0. Okay. So now let us minus 1 this both side. So what will we get? A squared b squared plus b squared c squared plus a squared c squared minus abc squared plus minus abc squared, नहीं, ab squared c minus a squared bc less than equal to 0, मतलब greater than equal to 0. So फिर can we break this into square? What will that be? ab plus bc whole minus bc whole squared upon 2 plus bc minus ac whole square upon 2 plus ac minus ab whole square upon 2. This is greater than equal to 0. Why? Because look, this is equal to this is equal to this, and this is equal to this, whatever. So if you multiply by 2, this will become 0, and this is squares, so solved. Proved. Next question. First here, let's observe that here, let us assume that this is an A, this is B. Okay, here A and B. So let's see that since this is not a whole square number, this is some irrational number, so it needs to be whole square so that it will become some good integer number, and then we can simplify. So what I saw was that x squared minus 3x whole square x plus 4 plus 4 is equal to plus 4 is equal to x square minus 1 root x square minus 4 whole square. Okay. So from here, I concluded that a square plus 4 is equal to b square. So I saw that if I can bring a square and b square minus each other, then I can get like I can simplify, chop everything. So here I have that a plus b plus 2 niche par. I got a plus b minus 2 upar par. So here I will multiply with a minus a minus 2 मतलब a plus 2 minus b. Okay, like this. ऊपर पर I will multiply a plus 2 minus b. What will I get? A squared plus ab minus 2a plus 2a plus 2b minus ऊपर का minus 4 minus ab plus b minus b squared plus 2b. So this cancel. This cancel. This for b. And this is what? A squared minus b squared. That is inside this is minus 4. Okay. So this will go this side and it will become plus 4. So if I will take it this side, then it will become 4. So 4 minus 4 plus 4b. So we have 4b up on the top. Now niche par we have same thing. Just we will have 4a plus 8. Okay, I have calculated before. You can calculate and see it, but I have calculated it before. That's why I am saying this. So we have 4a plus 8 niche and we have 4b. Now if we divide square by 4, we will have 4 upon b upon a plus 2. Now we have b. Okay, what was b? X squared minus 1 root x squared minus 4 upon what is a plus 2? X square x cube minus 3x plus 2. So now this इसका factor क्या है? X minus 1. We will divide it, so we will get x squared plus x minus 2, right? And this is what? X minus 1 and x plus 2. So this is what? X minus 1 whole square and x plus 2. Factorizing the नीचे वाला term. ऊपर वाला term क्या है? ऐसा है. X minus 1 into x plus 1 into root x minus 2 into root x plus 2. Okay. This is divided by x minus 1 whole square, x plus 2. So now, can we cancel like this and get an x root x plus 2 niche? Can we cancel like this and get a root x minus 1 niche? So we will have x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to root x minus 2 upon root x plus 1, x plus 2. We'll have into. This is equal to simplified term. Okay, that's easy, right? Now we have this question. So here we will simply factor. Okay, that's it. Factor. So for the first one, okay, we have n cube minus 3n plus 2. Okay, and we have n cube plus 3n squared minus 4. So now what will we do? We will factor this. So we see that n minus 1 works. We then factor, we'll get n squared plus n minus 2. This is again what? N minus 2 and n plus 2 and n minus 1 works. So here it is n minus 1 whole square into n plus 2. Now we see here. Now we see that 1 works again. So n minus 1. We see that after n square plus minus 4, so plus 4. So here we see that second. Yeah. N square, no, plus first 4n. Sorry for my mistakes. Sorry. Minus 4n plus 4. Yes, sir. So this is what? N plus 2 ka whole square. So we have n minus 1 into n plus 2 का होल स्क्वायर into n minus 1 का होल स्क्वायर into n plus 2. What is this? n plus 2 का होल क्यूब into n minus 1 का होल क्यूब. So now since this is a whole perfect cube, so it will be perfect cubes because whatever you'll put in here will always be a perfect cube of n plus 2 and n minus 1. Okay. Similarly for this, similarly, I'll just copy paste it सीधा. 1 second, please. Sorry for taking your time. Sorry, very, 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 very sorry. So here we will put -1. So we'll get -1 plus 3 minus 2, which works. So you'll put n plus 1 and you'll put n square. So it will become plus n square minus n minus 2. So iska factor n minus 2, n plus 1. So we'll have n plus 1 whole square into n minus 2. Now for here we see that -1 again works. So we'll put n plus 1 and we'll get here n square minus 4 and plus 4. So this is what? N minus 2 whole square. So again we'll multiply it and we'll get n plus 1 whole cube, n minus 2 whole cube. Okay. So as you can see, the sign is just opposite. So this is again a whole cube. So because whatever n will get, you will get n minus 2 1 and n minus 2 whole cube. Okay, next question. We have this question. Let A and B be positive real numbers. Prove that A plus B whole 5 is greater than equal to 12 AB, A cube plus